Welcome to Lost in the Curve. Today we're going to cut a straight line with the jigsaw, and I'm using as a guide this handy combination square, and I don't know if the manufacturers intended it for this purpose, but it's going to suit what we need to do. We've got a line established here and just going to line the blade up just to this side of the waist. Plug our unit in. See how we did here? Not bad for a jigsaw. Looks really good. Now if you needed to make a cross cut, or I'm sorry, a rip cut, or cut a panel, you're going to need a longer trusted straight edge. This is a square for marking sheet goods, drywall, plywood, and a clamp on each end, and you have a perfectly straight guide there. So, hope that helped you out with your straight cuts. Not always an easy thing to do with a jigsaw. So anyways, good luck to you, and good luck on those straight lines.